Hello, my dear students. How are you? So, today we will discuss the last topic of our chapter number 10, our neighboring countries, and that is Myanmar and Sri Lanka. So, let us begin with Myanmar. The Union of Myanmar, formerly called Burma, is located in East Asia with a coastline along Bay of Bengal. As you can see in the map, it is bordered by India and Bangladesh to the west, China to its north, and Laos and Thailand to its east. Now let us deal with physical features. The country is divided into two parts, Lower Myanmar and Upper Myanmar. Lower Myanmar comprises of coastal areas and thick tropical forests. The Upper Myanmar region includes the interior parts of the country. The most important river of the country is Irrawaddy, which forms a fertile delta region, and the country is covered with thick forests. Now, history linked to India. Myanmar or Burma was part of India under British rule. It was ruled with Kolkata as its headquarters. It was then called Burma, and it shared various religious and economic ties with India. Now, points of contact. The Indian states of Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Manipur share their borders with Myanmar. In your book, it's misprinted over here. They have written India, but Myanmar will come over here. Now, the capital city is Naypyidaw, and other important cities are Mandalay, Yangon. Currency is Kyat and official language is Burmese. Now let us deal with Sri Lanka. Officially called the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, it is an island in Indian Ocean, as you can see in the map, and it is about 80 kilometers east of the southern tip of India, and it is separated by India by Park Strait. As you can see in the map, the Park Strait is over there, and the Gulf of Mannar, you can locate it over there in the map. Now the physical features of Sri Lanka. The country is mainly made up of flat lands. The south central region of the country include mountains and steep-sided canyons. Now what are canyons? A deep, narrow valley with steep sides and often with a stream flowing through it. Stream means river. Many rivers originate from these mountains, and the main occupation of the people is agriculture. Now, history linked to India. The religion of Buddhism connects India to Sri Lanka. It's believed that the children of Emperor Ashok, Mahendra and Sanghmitra, Mahendra his son and Sanghmitra his daughter, spread the teachings of Buddha in Sri Lanka. A vast majority of Tamil speaking people lives in Sri Lanka, and these people have migrated from India to Sri Lanka. Now, point of contact. The country is an island nation in the Indian Ocean. and is separated from India by Pak Strait. And the capital city of Sri Lanka is Colombo. The legislative capital is Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte. Other important cities are Kandy, Galle, Jaffna. Currency is Sri Lankan rupee, and the official language is Sinhali and Tamil. So Sri Lanka is separated from India by Pak Strait, and it does not share any border with India. So with this we have finished this chapter, and in our next video I will send you the exercise part and the question answers of this chapter. Thank you.